What's up, Softail Nation? We made it back. Check this out. We have a new build coming up for you guys. I am pretty excited about this one. This is a 2005 Fatboy. It has just barely 20,000 miles on it. And I'm going to show you right now some of the things that we've got to do to this thing. And I'm going to critique some DIYers. Listen, you guys, I spent almost 30 years in the paint and body industry. Everything from body work to paint work to management to shop ownership to estimating, the whole works. ICAR certifications, all of that stuff. So I built rat rods. I was in Rat Rod magazine and did their rat rod build-off competition. But anyway, I tell you all of that to tell you this. I have a little bit of knowledge on what I'm doing here, and when I critique some of the do-it-yourselfers, I apologize. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, that is awesome. Do it. Do it to it. But look up the right way to do it. I'm going to show you a couple things on here that kind of annoy me. But anyway, thanks for checking out Softail Nation, you guys. Let's check out this bike. This is it, you guys. Drop a comment down below right now really quick and let me know as you see this video, what do you see that doesn't look quite right? I'll give you a hint. It's green. So, look at this, you guys. Hopefully this shows up on camera, but you can see right through here where it was color sanded and they tried to buff it out. See those marks right there? Anyway, all of it, the whole tank. I don't know if they just sanded it out and wanted it to look flat, but it looks flat, nasty is what it looks. So that's one thing that we're going to do is she's going to get a fresh coat of shiny paint. I don't know what color. I'm thinking I want to black this one out again. There's just something about a black Harley. A lot of guys dig it. I dig it. I've always liked black. Let's see here. Look at this, you guys. This is something else that I think is kind of messed up. Let me turn the handlebars here. So look at those handlebars, you guys. You think, oh yeah, cool. They got some 12-inch apes on there. But you know what? There's some symmetry that has to happen. See how wide these bars are to the forks? That's just ugly. They don't match. They don't fit. Sorry, pet peeve. We're putting new handlebars on there. That's one thing we're going to do. Another thing is, look at these lights. Look at these signal lights. Okay, pretty cool. They got some aftermarket signal lights on there, but look at the alignment of them, you guys. See that? This old girl's cross-eyed. So, those lights are coming off. This headlight, there's something going on there. It's not right. I think when they put this thing back together, they didn't line it up. See how it's kind of cockeyed off to that side? So, what we're going to do with this, we're getting a fat chrome ring for that, and we're going to put a black headlight in there. I think that'll look super trick. The other thing that I don't love is the no fender. They've got a RSD fender strut on there, which is kind of cool, but I don't love the no fender look. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to black out these lower forks here, and that'll clean up. The other thing is, you guys look, those rims, okay? I'm down with some custom wheels, but when your shit looks like this, you guys, just don't. Just don't. If you really can't look up a YouTube video and figure out how to paint, just don't. So check out these floorboards here, you guys. This is kind of cool with the diamond pattern. I looked those up, and that's actually a Harley Davidson option that you can buy from Harley Davidson. The thing that makes me feel funny about this is you can see that these treads are in pretty good shape here and here, but look at the grips. They got the same grips to match, but those things are wore out. How can these be so wore out and that not be wore out, even a little bit? Other details that need to be addressed, not only the paint here, but with this big gap right here in the seat, this thing really needs that tank bib. So we're gonna do that. This gas lid, you can see that big dent in it right there, hopefully, maybe. It's got a dent in it, so that's gonna be taken care of. And then she's just gotta be cleaned up. Somebody else has already put a lowering kit on this thing. You can see right here by the alignment of the rear swing arm that, yeah, that's not factory, but I'm okay with lowering kits. I dig all that stuff. And the pulley, that is gonna be, we're gonna keep that pulley, but it's gonna be blacked out. That'll look a lot better. All right, you guys, one of the other most important things that we need to do is take the ugly off of this Fatboy. Ew! I showed you those rims. The very first thing that I ordered was wheels and tires. We're doing fat spokes, 21 in the front, stock 16 in the rears. And anyway, that alone is gonna change the look of this bike 100%, I promise you. So, along with the wheels and tires, we're also getting brand new rotors. We're gonna clean everything up, shine it up, make it look nice. And yeah, when we're done with this thing in a couple of weeks, I promise you guys won't even recognize it. I don't know. What else we got going on here, you guys? The LaPera seat, that was a bonus. LaPera seats, I love the way that they sit. They're nice, low profile. That's a good seat, so I'm happy about that on this bike. I'm happy about the condition of the chrome. The chrome's all in really good shape. And I love the Willie G skull accessories. So you got a derby cover there. You've got the mirrors with the Willie G skull. You've also got a cover over here with the Willie G skull. So those are some pluses about the bike. And stay tuned as we build this bike and put it back together. And wait and see what the transformation looks like. So thanks for checking out Softail Nation. That is the upcoming build 2005 Fatboy. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. I can't wait to see how this thing turns out, you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.